Hi, my name's Tim Mackey. I'm a field systems engineer with Yamaha Unified Communications, and we're here in Dallas at the E4 Experience event, and we're going to take a quick look at the Yamaha Adecia RM CR controller. So this is a real game-changing box, what we have right here. This replaces the traditional DSP in 99% of the spaces out there. Literally, all you need to do is select the microphones that you need for your application, either wireless, tabletop, or our ceiling mics, pair it with this controller. Everything is powered by the Ethernet switch, including this processor. This is PoE Plus at 30 watts a channel. There are 4 interfaces in here, more than enough for most conference rooms. We have Bluetooth, SIP, line in and out, and USB. I'm using USB for Teams and Zoom calls in this space here today. The whole premise of this system is you no longer need to spend a half a day programming a traditional DSP. Just select the correct microphones for the room, and once your technicians mount these devices, they are now fully capable of logging into that system, opening up our GUI, and within 5 to 7 mouse clicks in about 2 minutes, the whole system is done and ready for a phone call. The level of automation Yamaha is bringing into this space is truly amazing, and we're leveraging technology from many of our divisions. For example, the whole system runs over a Yamaha switch, and we're leveraging Dante technology. And we're also leveraging similar technology to our home theaters. When you buy a 7.1 surround sound system from Yamaha, it comes with a microphone in the box, and it plays pink noise out of the speakers in the system, and it listens through the microphone where you sit and tunes for that position, and it accounts for the acoustics in that room. Well, that's exactly what we're now doing in conference spaces. Once you've mounted all the devices, you log into the device, you run through the auto setup wizard, it sets up all the routes, finds all the devices, sets all the gains, it'll play pink noise out of the speakers, listen to it through the microphones, and you are literally minutes from having your first Teams and Zoom call. So if you want to know more about this revolutionary product and the rest of the components that go with it, please check us out at uc.yamaha.com. Thank you very much.